Hello, my name is Mariana. I am CEO and co-founder of Biobot Analytics. And what we do is we analyze city sewage to measure population health. As was mentioned earlier today, by 2030, 70% of the Chinese population will live in cities. This means that cities are high priority areas to understand population health, and we help government map this information. And how do we do this? By analyzing sewage. This is based on a very simple concept. Everybody pees every day, and this information is aggregated in city sewers. At Biobot Analytics, we convert the information flowing in sewers into actionable information about population health. In fact, sewage is a platform to learn about many things about public health and environmental health. For example, to look at infectious disease, antibiotic resistance, drug consumption, nutrition, exposure to environmental contaminants, as well as to track the source of environmental pollution in rivers. And Biobot, we have the best, most advanced technology in the world. This approach was pioneered by Israel. They analyze sewage in order to get an early warning system about poliovirus outbreaks in their country and ramp up vaccination campaigns. Australia, the European Union, and Canada use wastewater epidemiology to understand how much illicit consumption is happening in their country. And now the US joins the international arena by implementing our technology to monitor the consumption of opioids to stop the opioid epidemic. This technology is based on work done during my PhD at MIT in computational biology and grew into an international collaboration that included partners in the Boston area, in Kuwait City, and in Seoul, South Korea. Our technology is an integrated system. We have software to analyze the maps of a wastewater network and select the sites to sample. We have proprietary hardware that collects representative samples from the sewers. We then generate raw data, genomics and metabolomics, to generate a profile and apply AI modeling to produce insights for our customers. In the US, our product is used to monitor the consumption of opioids because this is the #1 public health problem in the country. In fact, it's killing tens of thousands of people per year. And today, the best data available to stop the epidemic is counting how many people die. In contrast, we measure consumption rates from everyone. And this helps government understand the situation, design the right program for a community, and then evaluate the effectiveness of the intervention. We are already deployed in the cities of Cambridge, Massachusetts, and Cary, North Carolina, and we are currently selecting 5 more to work with in 2018. And it's even more exciting to share that we will be also launching a pilot in the city of Guangzhou very soon. We have now a partnership with a local company out of the Chinese Academy of Science. We have the support from the district, and we are currently designing the right program for China, which is going to be in the space of infectious disease and monitoring the pollution of rivers. In the US, it takes us a couple of weeks to get the program set up. First, we have to get the data from the wastewater network to select where to sample. Then we test our devices in their infrastructure and train their personnel to do the sampling, and finally, we start the program. Very importantly, we train public works employees to do the sampling themselves so they can access their own infrastructure, and cities retain full control of their data. We are venture-backed. We closed a $2.5 million seed round. we got the support of Y Combinator, which is the most prestigious investment program in Silicon Valley. And our team is out of MIT. Myself, I have a background in computational biology. My co-founder is an architect, expert in smart cities. And Professor Eric Ohm is an international scholar in the microbiome space. We are building a database powered by everyone in your city. Thank you.
Okay. Let's take one question from the audience.